Number 1.
Number 1, a very high land is called a mountain. A landform that gives out hot smoke is volcano. It's a flat land found between mountains, valley.
The blank is a wide
The blank is a wide
area
of flat lands. It is a place where farms, crops grow
well.
Land.
Number 5. A blank
looks
like
mountain, but it is lower than mountain hills.
Parang chok. Ano to? Waterfall. Nasaan ang waterfall?
Waterfalls.
Nasa waterfall. Very good. Ocean. River. Sea. Pond. Ngayon, walang tinginan ha. Asa ng pond? Asa ng sea? Asa ng river? Asa ng ocean? Di ba? Parang ito ang ocean. Ay, tama. Asa ng waterfall? Good job.
Choose the correct answer inside the box. Write your answer on the back. A big body of water, it's called sea.
Kaya ka mali. Ang sagot ay oo nga. Tama. Ulit mo. A big
body of
salt
water, it's called sea.
Number 2.
Water falling down from a high place, it's called waterfalls.
Nagfo-fall kasi yung water.
Lake, it's a body of water surrounded by land. Ocean, it's the major body of salt water
Cover
that cover
71%
about 71% of the Earth's surface.
Anong sagot? Ocean.
It is a body of water smaller than lake, especially those of man-made original
Pond. Yung gaya mga fish pond. Ginagawa lang din daw. Ano to? Complete the water cycle. Write the answer inside the box. Choose the answer below. Ano to? Hindi. Yung kanta mo muna dito.
Evaluation, population, pollution, division, precipitation, collection.
Paano pag walang kanta? Ano to? Evaporate yung tubig. Tumataas. Condensation.
Precipitation, collection.
Dapat kokopyahin mong mabuti yung mga letter dyan. Bawal mali.
Tama ko.
Mercury, Venus, 7 planet.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Ito. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, and Saturn, Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Galing ah.
Mercury, Venus.
Mercury, Venus. Ayaw nga.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Oh, pero pagka hindi mo alam, siyempre, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
Ganyan nga yung classmate ko eh.
Oh, pwede ka rin naman ganun. Jupiter and Saturn.
Hindi alam ko na eh.
Oh, what's this?
Alam na nga.
Basahin mo to, ano to?
Sun, star, moon,
Oh, alam mo na sulat pangalan ni Teacher Mariel. Oh, next. Box and color the picture that can be seen in the space. Ano yung makikita sa space?
Kuya Yellow.
Ito.
Nagawa ko
Ito
Kuya
yan.
Yellow.
Pwede naman eh.
Ang ganda o. Ewan ko paano nagawa yun.
Galing mo nga.
Gawa ko lang pencil.
Oh, pwede na.